Hi guys, in front of me is the MOTOROLA ThinkPhone, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So at first open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here you've got the whole device information along with IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK to close it. And now you can also reach this number via settings. So let's open the settings at first, then find and select About Phone. And here you've got both IMEI numbers, and if you wish to read your serial number as well, you have to enter model. And here it is displayed. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.